Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata, guys, and you need to remove or replace side view mirrors. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. There is a trick that you don't need to remove the door panel and it will save you quite a bit of time and travel. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money, guys, if you need to buy a new mirror or anything like that. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. 2013 Sonata that we will demonstrate on. So let's explain how to remove that rear view side view mirror. So what do you have to do, guys, for that mirror? Okay, car is nasty inside, we apologize. We bought it for a parts car and it's terrible. You need to get prying tools. We'll put the link where you can get them from. They're really cheap, but they don't damage your trim as much as using screwdrivers. And you need to pry. It has 3 friction clips. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3 that attach here. That's the mirror, guys. Now most people will remove the door panel because you cannot disconnect the wiring harness, but actually you can. Grab the wires gently, snag them out of there. Okay, come up a little bit more to make sure that the other one doesn't sink in. Now what you need to do here, okay, press right. Okay, now here that plastic thing, okay, it's actually the black one. You ignore it, you just press the one in the middle and you pull it out. Make sure this one doesn't go in. You may tape it to make sure it stays there. 10mm socket. I'm going to hold the mirror on the outside because once you remove the third nut, it may fall. Now we're on nut number 3. Now you just move it a little bit out of the way, gently. Okay, here. Okay, we had a clip. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's a mirror. That's how we remove it. Pretty simple, right? Probably less than a minute. Now, putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Make sure that this clip right here will be installed, okay, for that trim piece, guys. Okay, that clip is supposed to stay in the trim piece, so you can just go ahead, grab it, and install it on the trim, and later it just needs to go in the mirror. Okay, so we probably should have taken this one out, okay, before we continue. So before we start, you can just disconnect this one so it doesn't break it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.